The skeletal system has many parts like the humerus. The humerus is the upper arm and it flexes the muscles. The skull is made up of minerals and protects the brain so we don't lose any memory. The spine is located in the back of the body and it helps us sit up straight. The wrists protect the heart and lungs. The radius and the ulna move with each other and it's the forearm. The skeletal system is important to our body.
The function of the skeletal system is to protect, shape, and help your body move. Without your skeletal system, you would be a big blob. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the skull. The skull protects the brain, which is located at the top of your head. Next is the spinal column. It protects the spinal cord, which is located in your back. In your chest, the rib cage protects your heart, lungs, and other soft spots. Moving down to the center of your body, your leg and hip bones support your body weight. Your skeletal system is flexible and allows your body to move. You have many joints in your body. Joints are places where two bones meet. One type of joint allows a bone to swing back and forth. This joint is called a hinge joint. Another kind of joint, called the ball and socket joint, allows your bone to move in many directions. The skeletal system is very important, and I hope you learned a lot.
The skeleton protects the soft organs and gives your body shape. There are many things that keep your body safe. The skull protects your brain. The spine or backbone protects your spinal cord, and it keeps your body moving. There are 206 bones in your body. The bones are different size and shape. Some bones are ribs, radius, unihook, vertebrae, and sternum. The place where two bones meet is called a joint. There are hinge joints, ball and socket joints, and immovable joints. Safety equipment protects your body. The helmet protects your skull. Knee pads protects your patella, and the elbow pads protects your elbow. To protect your body, always wear a helmet and protects your safety gears.